My name is Dal Saeed. My dad has a high rank and he spends a lot. But one day,
my father left us. My mother does not work and cannot support my education. I remember the money I had saved all this time. I used that money to continue studying. Finally, now I have succeeded in preparing for a rainy day.
Provide an umbrella before it rains? What does it mean?
Akif, what does it mean?
That's a proverb, meaning we must be prepared or cautious in facing anything or any possibility that comes, especially unexpected things. Ha! Why are you stunned?
It's long.
Don't understand at all.
It's okay if you don't understand. Drink quickly.